Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some oven baked barbecue chicken. Yes, so in my glass container right here I've got some leg and thigh. Okay, I've got at least 6. Yes, that's the amount that I'm using. And what I did, I cut it like so. So I'm just gonna show you guys and how I do it. So when I'm seasoning it, the season will go right through. Like so. Yeah, that's perfect. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of barbecue seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, but guys, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have. Okay, yes. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my chicken. This is something that I always do, okay? Then I'm gonna blend all my seasoning together like so. And I'm just gonna add it to my chicken. I'm gonna turn it over. And I'm just gonna carry on with the same process. I'm just gonna leave back some of my season, guys, for my sauce, okay? I'm gonna leave back this amount. Then I'm just gonna take my hands and you just wanna rub all that seasoning all over on your chicken. You wanna make sure that the seasoning go right in where you cut it. It looks super delicious already and it's not even finished. I'm telling you, it looks good. You can even lift it up and rub the seasoning all over. And as I always said, guys, you can always use a gloves, okay? You don't have to use your bare hands. And if you want, you can always add some green seasoning to it. I don't really have no green seasoning. I was gonna get some from the shop, but I was running a bit late, so I said I'm just gonna leave it out. But either way, it's still gonna be delicious, so it doesn't really matter. You see these chicken? They are nicely seasoned. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? Or if you don't have the time, as I always said, you just cook it as it is. Because trust me, from you season it up nicely, it will still be delicious, as if it marinate. So that's done. So here I have my baking tray, and to my baking tray, guys, there's a grill to it, okay? Yeah, so this is what it look like. You can lift it up like so, and I just lay some foil paper on the bottom. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grease it with some olive oil like so. So I'm just gonna add at least 1/4 cup of water at the bottom of my pan, so the chicken will be nice and juicy and steamed properly, okay? So now I'm just gonna lay my chicken down like so, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 35 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Make sure it is all spread out. So guys, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of my classic barbecue seasoning on top. I'm just gonna sprinkle just a bit more on there. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil. Just gonna sprinkle some olive oil all over. So now, as I said, I'm gonna put it in my oven and 150 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is getting nice and brown, and I'm telling you guys, it's looking super juicy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my barbecue sauce. Just use your favorite barbecue sauce, okay? It doesn't have to be, you know, any special one, whatever one you have at home. Then I'm just gonna brush my barbecue sauce on it like so. So guys, I'm not gonna flip it over as yet. I'm just gonna put it in my oven like this for at least 5 minutes, okay? Yes. So now I'm just gonna flip it over. So you see that part, guys, how it look white? You're gonna want that part to brown up, okay? So I'm just gonna add some more of my barbecue sauce on it, on the other side. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Yes. And 150 degrees Celsius. So now I'm gonna show you guys and how I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. So I'm just gonna add it to my glass container like so. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of ketchup. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning. And I'm gonna be a bit extra, okay guys? So I'm gonna add at least 2 spoonfuls of my sriracha sauce, okay? As I said, I'm being a bit extra, yes. And I'm gonna also add at least 1 spoonful of honey, yeah. And now guys, you just want to mix it all in. This sauce look amazing. Make sure that it is all blend. You see that? Nice, rich, flavorful. I'm telling you, it look so good. And I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of brown sugar. So this is how you want it guys, not too thick, just a bit runny. So that's done. I'm telling you, it smells so good. That's done. Perfect. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. So nice, so golden. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my sauce on top like so. Look amazing, super delicious. With all that sauce, guys, you guys are gonna enjoy this. It is so good. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 2 minutes, just for the sauce to stick on the chicken, okay? Just for 2 minutes, just for now, okay? So stay tuned. So I just remove it from my oven guys, just after 2 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over like so. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 10 minutes or so, okay? I'm just gonna add my sauce. Isn't this look amazing guys? I'm telling you, it looks so good. Super delicious, and it looks so juicy. So guys, just after 10 minutes, I just remove my chicken from my oven, and this is what it look like. As you can see, the barbecue sauce is all stick on the chicken, and that's exactly how I want it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna coat it just another time, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 4 minutes. Okay, yes, just gonna give it a next coat. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is so good. I mean, just look at it, guys. This is a must try recipe. Your families, your friends, everyone are gonna enjoy it. So that's done. Let I give you guys a up close look. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, this look amazing. Super delicious. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig in. So guys, I just removed my barbecue chicken from my oven, and it's been in the oven, guys, just over 5 minutes. Okay, I put it on broil because I wanted to, you know, have this nice, you know, charcoal color to it. Okay, so that's the reason why. So guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm telling you, honestly, it looks super delicious. The barbecue sauce is all stick on the chicken, and that's exactly how you want it. I mean, just look at it, guys. Super delicious. I'm gonna give you guys a up close look and how delicious it look. I mean, oh my goodness, look at that. So good. This recipe right here is a must try. Nicely done. Perfection. You see that, guys? Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Super delicious. Guys, you want some? Bite some. you can have the first bite. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna plate it up and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, there you have it. Oven bake barbecue chicken, Jody cooking style. Yes, I could stare on it the whole day, but don't worry. I'm gonna cut into it and tell you guys what it's like. Okay, look at that. Super delicious. Oh my goodness, so good. Cooked to perfection. So guys, I'm serving my barbecue chicken with some rice and peas, of course, and I'm telling you guys, it looks super delicious. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut into it and show you guys how nicely cooked. I mean, just look at the meat, guys. It cooked to perfection. I'm telling you, so nice, so juicy, so tender. This recipe right here is a must try. Nicely done. So I'm just dipping some of my chicken in my barbecue sauce that I leave back. Then I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness, guys, honestly, it is so good. My husband, my children, we all enjoy this recipe. It is so beautiful, so delicious, so sweet. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Please guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Because I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. I'm just tasting it with the rice, and honestly, these two are perfect combinations. So good. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.